like the semblance of king thy, when the emperor had conquered him and made him poor when he had taken him, his cart and his harness, from which he sang to the suffering, watching the wheel turn. And in the evening wept at dinner, I sing when I have the most suffering, when I think that into joy my suffering can turn for me. And I weep when I see joy or good in others, and I remember that I had plenty of it. Now I have nothing. For in such torment holds me, in prison love and heavy balance, and I don't know how to say anything for why, except that I await her mercy, conquered without despair. And because I don't stop loving, 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 for of nothing else can I be accused. So faithful, loyal, a lover am I of you, whom I dare not tell. No reveal my thought, noble lady with noble courteous body. So much I fear the worth that is in you, in the great values and the goods. But I don't despair at all, nor does it seem or appear to me that in you there is no mercy. For your well-taught body, humble, frank, and of good nature, I see in the rich, dear, worthy worth, in the noble laughter, in the sweet speech, joyful, with gay appearance. And because you find no equal of beauty in the world, nor paw that pulls the rain on me so, and takes away the boldness and holds me, that I don't dare beg you for anything. Many times it happens to me that with all made agreement, lady, I think to beg you for myself. And then when my heart sees you, I lose myself, and I have no memory except only of gazing at you. And I don't know how, nor dare to beg you, nor can I pull my love away from you. So great mercy you could do if you gave to me without asking. Since I don't dare show it to you, for an honor gift you could give me, if you suffered that to your honor, might be all my songs always. I don't dare, baby. I don't dare, baby. And since I don't give you up, nor your trust, I give and grant you for always my songs and my loyal faith. If your worth advances me, honor will be yours without doubt. You know what it's fitting to do, so I don't say more of it, little nor much, except that a humble mercy beggar I am to you, with pure and clear heart. And if I had estimated or knew that I dared say more, should of more I would have undertaken. Then to dawn I wanna tell that the lady has no equal, of beauties with complete goods. And if Sir Marides knew what I know, it would well be taken by him. Now I have nothing. Ba-ba-ba-dum.